Welcome to Algebra, absolute value with guided practice evaluating expressions. In this lesson, we'll do a quick review of absolute value, what it means, how to evaluate it in an expression, and then do several guided practice exercises. What does absolute value mean? It means how far a number is from zero on a number line. The symbol used to indicate absolute value is a pair of bars. Inside the pair of bars we have a 5. The absolute value of 5 is equal to 5 because it is 5 steps from 0. The absolute value of negative 5 is also 5 because it too is 5 steps from 0. Both values, 5 and negative 5, are 5 steps from 0, which means both have an absolute value of 5. Now let's work through some mixed expressions. This is expression set 1C. 1A and 1B were in the previous video. Pause the video and give these two a try. Alright, let's check out the first one. X squared minus y is replaced with 3 and 4, and so we get 3 squared minus 4. 3 squared is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5. In this next exercise, x is negative 2 and y is 3. So the expression 3x squared times x plus y, when we substitute, we get 3 times negative 2 squared times negative 2 plus 3. Evaluating this, we get 3 times 4, the result of negative 2 squared, and negative 2 plus 3 becomes 1. So 3 times 4 times 1 is 12 times 1, which is 12. Try this next problem. Okay, negative y squared plus 5x is replaced with negative 2 for x, 3 for y, which gives us negative 3 squared plus 5 times negative 2. Note carefully that the parentheses surrounds each number that is substituted. Negative 3 squared, remember the 3 squared goes first, so 3 squared is 9, and then the negative multiplies times the 9 to make negative 9. Plus 5 times negative 2 is negative 10, so effectively it's minus 10. So now negative 9 minus 10 is negative 19. Try these two. In this first one, m is negative 5 and n is 3. We replace those and notice that m is inside absolute value. So it's the absolute value of negative 5 plus 2 times 3, which evaluates to 5 plus 6, which is 11. In the second expression, it's the negative absolute value of n plus parentheses 5 plus m. We replace m with negative 5, n we replace with 3, and so it's the negative absolute value of 3 plus 5 plus negative 5 evaluates to negative 3 plus 0, which is negative 3. Try this one. Here we have 3 times m times n over 9. m is negative 5, n is 3. We substitute both of those in, and we get 3 times negative 5 times 3 over 9. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Negative 15 times 3 is negative 45. Negative 45 divided by 9 is negative 5. Try these. For the expression b plus 2 plus 8 in parentheses times a, we replace a with negative 5, substitute 3 in place of b, and now we get 3 plus parentheses 2 plus 8 times negative 5. Parentheses goes first, so 2 plus 8 becomes 10. Then in order of operations, multiplication goes next, so 10 times negative 5 is negative 50, and we end up with 3 plus negative 50, which is 3 minus 50, and the answer is negative 47. In the second expression, negative a squared minus the absolute value of b, a is substituted with negative 7, b is replaced by 4, and so now we have negative 7 squared, which is a positive 49, and then the negative of that is negative 49. The absolute value of 4 is 4, so minus 4 from negative 49 is negative 53. Try this one. 6 plus the absolute value of a times 3 over negative b. A is replaced by -4, B is replaced by 2. Now we have 6 plus the absolute value of -4 times 3 over -2. The absolute value of -4 becomes 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 6 plus 12 is 18. Over -2 is -9. Try these two. If x is -7 and y is 4, we replace those in the expression 3 squared minus absolute value of x plus y. X is replaced by -7, y by 4. Since the absolute value itself contains an expression, we do that expression first, then we take the absolute value, which is the absolute value of -3. And so 3 squared is 9, and so it's 9 minus the absolute value of -3, which ends up to be 9 minus 3, which is 6. Over here on the right, we have -2x over 7 plus parentheses x minus y. X is replaced by -7, y is replaced by 4, and so now we get the negative of 2 times -7 over 7 plus -7 minus 4. 2 times -7 is -14. -14 over 7 is -2. The negative of -2 becomes +2 plus, and then -7 minus 4 becomes -11. So 2 plus -11 is -9.